Today, we will learn how to move objects in Snaptrude. Let's start with the Move tool. To access this, navigate to the Design tab and choose the Move tool, or use the shortcut key M. As soon as it's activated, snapping points will appear on each vertex, edge, and face of the object. Choose your preferred point using the left mouse button. Now, to move the object, drag the mouse in the desired direction or use the arrow keys to lock the axis of movement. Confirm the move by either left-clicking at your chosen destination or manually inputting the distance. The object will move once you press Enter. To move several objects at once, hold down the Control or Command keys or use the rectangular marquee tool to select all objects you want to move. Then follow the same steps to move them. Let's apply this by moving some furniture using the Move tool. First, we'll select the pieces of furniture we want to move. Then activate the Move tool with the M shortcut. We'll then snap to one of the points from which we want to move the furniture and lock the axis using the arrow keys. Finally, we'll manually enter the desired distance and press Enter. The selected furniture will then be relocated to the new location. The Move tool is incredibly useful in both 2D and 3D views on all objects, as well as imported files such as CAD, PDF, topography, etc. Now, let's learn how to move objects around the canvas without using the Move tool. For this, we will use the Select to Move feature. To start, make sure you are in selection mode and left-click on a face, edge, or vertex of the object you want to move. Now, simply drag the selected object around the canvas while keeping the left mouse button clicked. Release the left click where you want to relocate the object. Select to Move works in both 2D and 3D views. To move multiple objects together, multi-select the objects you want to move. Then, left-click and drag to move the selected objects together. To make more efficient use of this feature, lock the axis using the arrow keys on the keyboard to restrict the movement direction. You can also enter the distance to move the objects to ensure the objects move to the exact location desired. Also note that Select to Move is supported by spaces, walls, columns, beams, mass, doors, windows, staircases, furniture. The remaining objects can only be moved using Move tool.